Hello traders, welcome to another video of our weekly chart analysis. And today in this video we'll be doing our analysis for this week on the pairs such as EURUSD GBPUSD, gold and Bitcoin. And so before we start, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and give this video a thumbs up. We do live trading every day on the London session and also on the New York and London session overlap every day. So if you want to trade live with us, then please make sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned. So in the euro US dollar chart, we are in a one-day time frame here, and we can see that for a long period of time euro US dollar has been moving in a uptrend channel like this. Then until recently the price broke out of that long-term uptrend channel and currently forming a bit of a downtrend after breaking the uptrend line. Now the price, you can see that there's a huge bearish momentum in a daily time frame here. The price hasn't really made any proper pullback yet, so there's a high chance that the price may make a pullback on this zone right here that you can see. So that was my bias, that the price after breaking this uptrend line may make a pullback up to towards this zone right here, but the price found resistance at this zone right here. You can see that it formed the double tops pattern right here. So let's go to a shorter time frame, like a 4-hour time frame. I drew the most I drew the most obvious key zone right here. So the possibility is that the price may break in. If the price break and close above this zone right here, then the price will be making a pullback up towards this zone, which is a pretty strong key zone. You can see all this zone acting as a support zone right here with all these retests. The price may pull back all towards this zone, or even better, the price may make a deep pullback all towards this zone right here, which will also make a retest point on the possible downtrend line that I just drew by retesting this and this point right here. So if the price does pull back towards this zone right here, that may be a possible pullback on this trend line. But if the price also pull back right here and then continues going down, that can also be a retest on this trend line if the price go further down to retest this trend line right here. So it will be better for us to wait to see if the price breaks out of this zone or either this zone right here. So just wait for the price to actually make a break out of this consolidation phase from this zone and this zone. That's the analysis for euro US dollar for me. And if the price does break out of this zone, my bias is that the price will be continuing its downward movement, forming a new downtrend line like this, if the price doesn't make a pullback all towards this trend line. So let's go back to GBP US dollar chart. Now on the GBP US dollar chart, let's go to a daily time frame. There's not much to see in the daily time frame, but okay. So it's been moving in an uptrend channel right here, and it's currently retesting the trend line right this, which is a pretty strong key zone right here. You can see all these retest points on this zone right here. So the price is kind of retesting this zone. There's other key strong zones right here, like this is a pretty strong level right here. Then also there's another key zone right here. So if the price does make a breakout, let's go to 4-hour time frame. So if the price does make a breakout of this zone right here, then the price may continue all the way to this zone right here. That would be my idea, that the price, if breaks out of this zone right here, then the price will continue all the way to this zone right here, making a pullback to either continue moving up or continue moving down after breaking this zone even. So but if again the price makes a breakout, makes a retest on this and continues to go up and breaks out of this zone, then it would be my bias would be to go long, that price will be continuing its uptrend like it has been continuing for quite some times. This is the consolidation phase, like this zone and this zone. Just wait for the price to make a breakout of either these zones, and that's when I'm gonna place my trades on either on the long side or on the short side. So let's focus on the gold chart, and we're in the daily time frame on the gold chart. And as you know, gold has been making moving in an uptrend for quite some time right now. This uptrend line, and so I marked the pretty strong key zones on the gold chart like this, and this. Gold just made a retest on the trend line right here, which happens to be also a pretty strong key zone, and we are currently on the daily time frame. So these retest points on this zone and this zone, those holds more values, like really good values, that the zone is much more valid. So if gold breaks out of this zone right here, then there's a possibility that gold may retest this trend line right here, somewhere around here, or all the way to right here, this zone. If the gold does make a retest on this zone, then it may also be retesting this trend line right here and then continue its move downward. So if gold doesn't break out of this zone and retest this zone right here, then gold will be breaking out this zone. If the gold does break out of this zone instead of breaking out of this zone, then it will be forming a new trend line, like a new downtrend line, and these will be its retest points, and gold will be moving down all the way, I mean in my analysis, to the next key zone, which can be around here like that. So that would be my analysis in a longer time frame view. So let's go to Bitcoin BTCUSD, and on the daily time frame on BTCUSD, the price, you know, as everything's going good for Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is actually currently moving up. In the longer view, Bitcoin will be going way up, but I think Bitcoin might make a temporary pullback by breaking this uptrend line that you can see right here. My bias is that Bitcoin might be breaking this trend line and make a retest right around here, and then go long again, or make a retest all the way down here and then go long again. If you go to a shorter time frame, like a 4-hour time frame, you can see Bitcoin while moving in this uptrend, Bitcoin is currently forming a downtrend line by making these retest points right here. You can see, yeah, and also it's kind of making a, what can I say, like a symmetrical triangle kind of pattern right here. You can see that from here. Yeah, so yeah, it's like a symmetrical triangle pattern that Bitcoin just formed right here. So that's what you can keep an eye on to see if the price which way the price breaks out of this triangle right here. If Bitcoin breaks out of this triangle by breaking out of this zone too, don't enter long if the price breaks out of this triangle. Okay, just wait for the price to actually let's say break out of this zone too. Okay, this zone too. So wait for the price to break out of this zone, and that's when you can enter long. And if the price doesn't break out of this zone and instead break down below, then wait for the price to break and close below this zone. So if the price break and close below this zone, then it will be breaking a pretty strong key zone, and also the long lasting uptrend line. In my bias, that's gonna let the price to come all the way down here or down here. So anyways guys, that's it. That's my analysis on these 4 pairs: Euro, US dollar, GU, gold and Bitcoin. To watch my analysis on GBPUSD, GJ, EJ and US30, head back to my next video that you can see a link to this video right here on the end screen. So anyways guys, if you find any value in this video, then please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. We go live trading every day on the London session and also on the London and New York session overlap. We trade live, giving us a position, showing what we achieve, whether it's a loss or it's a win. We show it everything. Risk management is the key. We follow proper risk management, and that's how we hope to get winning trades.